Hi, my name is Nikhil Timbadia and I am from the MS University Baroda. This is a tall building tutorial in the ETAP software under Skyfi Labs. As you can see, there is a 23-story building with a different plan at some different level. A building subjected to dead load, live load and wind load with a given criteria. Um, First we have to define the materials and a section property, then assign to them on the beam, column and slab. A loading is to be provided as per the requirement at a different plan on the slab. Here we have providing a cladding at the boundary, so a uniform load point 2 given in the 3D view. For a wind load, you have to define a load pattern. So you can adding a load of wind in the defined load pattern, and here you have to modify the lateral load. As our building is in the Bangalore, so as per the IS 875 1987, things to be follow, like a wind speed is 33 meter per second, terrain category 3, structure class is B. After giving a load, we can analyze the building. So for that, run the analysis. Wait for a second. After the analysis, we will see the result of that. So for that, click on the display menu and force stress diagram, and now you have to open a from pier spindle. On the left side, you can see the bending moment diagram for the story 3 in the plan view. Now click on the any beam member and you have to see the all the things including shear force, bending moment, deflection. So now we have to move on the further as a design part. So you can select the design menu, and in that you have to provide the references for the design. So for the design we have to use IS 456 2000 code, and click on the OK. Now to start the design we have to again move on the same process, and here we have to click on the start design check. Wait for a few seconds. Hardly it takes 4 to 5 seconds. So as you can see, this value is indicating a top and bottom reinforcement. So whatever we have designed, to verify that we have to again move on the design menu, and here we have to click on verify all member pass. So here they indicate the all concrete frames pass the design check. So here we have to complete our whole tutorial problem. Thank you.